Hello, everyone. I'm Libor Vance. I'm a senior product designer on the ecosystem team. And I just want to give everyone a quick demo of how the group level integrations work. So for this demo, in this browser here, I have 3 tabs. And first tab here is looking at Asana, the Asana integration at the group level. Then I have Asana set up here at the subgroup level, and then Asana set up at the project level. And so right now I'm going to pretend that I'm a group level group owner, and I want all projects and subgroups in my under my group to have the Asana integration set up and to use the same API key. So in this example, I'll just say I want the API key to be group. I'll activate the integration, hit save. So now I'll get this modal that to confirm that I know that basically hitting save will update the default settings for all the projects that are in my all the projects and subgroups that are within my group. And then an important thing to note here is that any projects that may have that may be trying to use their custom settings will not be affected here. So, and I'll get to that in a little bit later in this demo. So for now, I'm just going to hit save. And so now that I've saved that, I could go to my subgroup level here, and I'll see that there's this new section in this integration that says default settings are being inherited from the group level. And I have this option to change where the settings are inherited from. So in this case, I could change it to custom if I wanted to change that. But right now, you could all see that that the group setting has been propagated down to the subgroup level. And then if I go to my project level, I'll see the similar view here. And then I also have this API key that's by default disabled. And I can't change that unless I change my change the selector to use my custom settings. So I could just give that a test right now. So let's say, again, I'm a group owner and I want to update this setting. I'll just say set it to 1, for example, hit save. And then now if I go back to my subgroup and refresh, I'll see that that setting has been updated here. And then similarly to my project view, if I refresh, I'll see that that setting has changed. So now going back to that message that we saw in the modal previously, that projects with custom settings will not be updated. So let's say now I'm a project level owner and these settings are not working for me that are being set at the group level. So I'm going to go change this to custom settings, and I'll just say, I'll just call this my project, and I'll hit save. So that's been saved now. And so now if I go back to my group level integration, and let's just say I'll change this to 2 and hit save. So this is where this line comes into play. Basically, hitting save now will update all the subgroups and projects within my group that have already been sharing the same settings and have already been inherited the same settings. And it will not affect subgroups and projects that have chosen to use their own custom settings. So I'll hit save here. And then again, if I go back to my subgroup here and refresh, I'll see that my subgroup has already been using the new group level settings. But if I go back to my project level and hit refresh, my project is still set to use custom settings. So those settings have not been overridden. That's pretty much it. Hope everyone likes this new feature. If you have any questions, I encourage you please to visit our documentation or on the integration, just click this learn more link to read up on anything that I might have not covered here. Thank you very much. Bye.